Hey, how's it going? My name's Greg, and I'm here to introduce you today to what we call Game Engine Academy. This is a website that we've launched earlier this month, and basically the purpose of it is to teach people that want to learn and are serious about learning Unreal, providing them a pathway to not only learn the program, but also to get certified through the Academy as an Unreal Engine generalist. And so what we've done here is we've gone through and we've created a fairly in-depth course that's actually 38 weeks long. It's actually 9 months of time. And so I just wanted to kind of walk you through the website and then also kind of explain the idea behind what we're doing. So one of the things that's new in 2021, and it's been new in the last few years, is that it's possible to go online and learn just about anything. You can go to Udemy, and you can even go to Unreal Engine's own website and get free videos. The Udemy courses are like $13. It's very easy today to go online and teach yourself things, to watch YouTube videos and this and that. But the problem is it's hard sometimes to come up with an actual curriculum. You're just kind of open-ended, just kind of maybe grabbing this tutorial here and that one there, and it's not really that structured. So there's no real structure for online learning necessarily, especially when you're kind of doing it independently on your own. So what we've done here is create that structure. And so what we've done is we've mapped out a roadmap or a pathway to learning Unreal Engine. And it's really three parts to it. One is these free Unreal tutorials, and then there's 3 books that are recommended. And these books, by the way, are all recommended by Unreal Engine themselves. So it's probably about, let's see, 30, maybe about $120 worth of books right there. So what we have is we have this curriculum that we've developed, and we've got, I think Unreal has over 100 tutorials, and we've kind of pulled out what we feel like are the most useful 40. And then we have the 3 books that you recommend, and we've kind of mapped out a pace and schedule for reading those. And then we also have this Udemy course. We're not actually affiliated with the course. We think it's a good one to get started with. It's this one, Unreal Engine Build Your First Game. So basically there's something like 30 videos to watch through Unreal Engine. There's 3 books to read, and then there's this Udemy course. And so we've kind of pulled that together to kind of create a curriculum, this curriculum here, this 9-month-long curriculum. And if you follow it, there's no way you're not going to be proficient in Unreal at the end of it. So it's 38 weeks, and so that takes care of that. So you can go out online and you can learn all this stuff on your own, but you're kind of struggling with the structure. So what we've done is we've created a structure for you to follow. And you don't have to even be involved with us to follow this. You can follow this on your own if you wanted to. The other thing that we do is every week we're going to have a meetup on Google where you can come and we can just hang out and talk and kind of go over lessons and things that we're struggling with. And it's just a real open-ended session, and we plan to do that every Sunday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's another thing that Udemy doesn't offer and Unreal doesn't really offer. There's Discord channels and things like that where you can kind of post stuff online. This is real time with real people, me and anyone else who joins, to just talk and kind of support each other as we're learning Unreal Engine. And then probably the most important thing that we provide is that every week, at the end of every week, there'll be a YouTube video that we're going to post, and it's going to have a quiz. It's basically a quiz, and what you do is you simply email your answers to us at tests@giaacademy.com, and if you do that, then we'll score the test and log it in our book under your name that we keep track of, and you have to get at least 75%. So it's a graded test, and if you fail it, you can take it again. If you studied everything, the tests aren't trying to trick you or anything. It's just a test of if you've read everything, you've covered the material. And so there's a test every week, and in that way what we're doing is we're validating that you've actually read and understood the material. So that's something that these online courses don't provide. They don't provide any kind of validation. So when you've finished every single one of these weeks, at the very end of it we have a final exam, and we do charge a nominal fee for that. It's $69, and that covers our costs of our time, but also once you pass the final exam, we'll actually give you a certificate of completion. It's not some PDF thing. It's really a nice diploma that you can have that validates all the work, all that you've learned and everything that you've done. If you go on the website, we go into a lot more detail about the whole process and what you need and the course schedule and everything like that. Now, if for some reason, let's say your schedule doesn't work out and you miss a week, you can always redo that week. You just contact us and we'll work something out with you. But The course start, let's say you're not watching this video until like a few weeks from now, you can start on any Monday. So you just pick up where we are. We compare it to walking into a movie theater and into a movie like midway. You're going to be struggling a little bit to understand, but you just have to work a little bit harder and you'll eventually get it. But then you got to retake the classes that you missed in the order. So this program will loop. So it's just going to keep looping. So it doesn't matter when you come in when you come in, and then there'll be a quiz every week, and then you just kind of go from there. And it's all explained here on the website. What we're really trying to do is create a way for people, independent learners, people that are learning this stuff on their own, to get support, to get structure, and to get validation of what they've learned. So that's really the most important part of it, is the validating. So because we're going to be giving quizzes every week, we'll be scoring them, we'll be logging that you passed the test, and we'll be tracking it all for the whole 9 months. And at the end, once you've completed everything, including the final exam, there's no way you're not going to know Unreal Engine. You will know Unreal Engine. There's no question about it. So we're just trying to take all this information that's out there, all these free online education or low-cost education, and structuring it into a format that not only provides support to you, but also validation of what you've learned. Anyway, I encourage you to come to the website and check it out. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email or post it here on this video. Thank you so much. I look forward to people joining and turning this into something really special. So take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.